Hello guys, hello mga kabadis, it's me Charles. For today's video, we are going to differentiate the properties of mixture, which is solution, suspension, and colloid. First, what is mixture? A mixture is a substance made by combining two or more different materials in such a way that no chemical reaction occurs. Solution, a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Homogeneous mixture is a type of mixture with a uniform composition. It is the example of solution, the salt in water. First, our material is a glass of water, which is the solvent, and the salt is which is the solute. Let's mix it. When you look closely upon mixing salt and water, you can't see salt particles anymore. Suspension, a type of heterogeneous mixture where solid particles do not dissolve in a liquid solution. Heterogeneous mixture, any mixture that is not uniform in composition. A non-uniform mixture with smaller constituent parts. Parts of the mixture can be separated from one another. It is the example of suspension, the sand in water. We take a scoop of sand in water and mix them. No matter how you stir them, the sand will not dissolve. They are float around and eventually settle down. Colloid, a mixture where at least two types of substance, also called particle, do not change. Each substance returns its own properties. It is the example of colloid. First, take 1 tablespoon of milk powder and mix it with water. Now, drain the water. After draining the water, you will notice that there is still few particles suspended in the solution, which is used to settle. To summarize all of this, solution is a homogeneous mixture of a solute and a solvent. Suspension is a mixture of water and a non-dissolved material. Colloid is a solution in which substance remains dispersed and doesn't settle at the bottom. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching.